game. It's a rich thing.
say, but me I say something. What do I say? Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed my little Friday night snack. Look at I fall off of the plate. My little Friday night snack. Yeah, it's Friday night and I don't cook. If you not watch my vlog long enough for the know, so I don't do them whole heap of cooking, no chicken, no oxtail, no pork, no this, no that. I just find something simple where you can probably most likely get at a restaurant takeout. So tonight I decided to do my chicken rolls and do them in rice paper. So we're gonna eat them now. Tay already had some taste of it's good. So, and then I put them with some sweet chili sauce to dip. Look at that, guys. Look at the steam coming out. Where's the focus? Look at the steam coming out. Oh, so good. And it's so good because I season my chicken, I cook it up with the veggies, so the chicken has a flavor, and then you just roll it up and it's so good. So if you're not interested, I'm gonna try it. It's actually good. As long as you know season up my chicken. And I'm having it with some H2O. Okay.
It's good, huh? The food is good.
You hear that? Put your face in the eyes to make the people them see and tell them that the food good.
Already finished.
Okay, make it okay, make it chicken fly down. Make sure. Because when me tell her if we put her face in the camera, make it make her not see her, no should not see her face. Oh, God. Anyways, people, may I go and enjoy this. Anyhow, guys, thank you all for watching Really Taya's life. And like I always say, if you're not subscribed, where are we at pan? And if you are subscribed, I really appreciate all the love, all the comments you leave down below, you know, and keep doing it, and I'll keep bringing out them videos. Well, hopefully we can create some content, guys. Right now, my mind blank, but we figure it out. Oh yeah, eh? Oh, because of the rice paper. It's kind of sticky. Yeah. That's why when you roll them, you gotta keep them separate because the rice paper is sticky. I'm sure you all used rice paper before. It's very sticky when it gets wet. No, you're dry. Maybe if you cover it up, it will stay moist. And I see how we kitchen and them have everything that I worked on 3 times. Yeah, this girl is always trying to eat off all the food. like me not have a son too. She thinks she's the only child. Everything day you think you're the only child. We go to the grocery store, and if her brother is not there, I say, "Tay, pick up that for your brother." Why?
I don't see it.
If he wanted, he should be here. Okay, guys, everything is yummy, yummy, yummy. Like I said before, thank you for stopping by. See you the next time. Yeah, and take care of yourself. Stay home, be safe, do all the stuff they say to do. Wash your hands. But a lot of us have already been doing these things before Corona, so this is not new to us. The only new part to me is going to wash my groceries, like I showed you in a previous video. So anyhow, me talk to you later. Until next time, peace out. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. You wanna see how my hair grow? I love talk about my hair, eh? Bye.